Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime routine, and I usually do weekly vlogs, but this week I didn't record anything, so I have no footage, therefore no weekly vlog. But I wanted to still vlog and do a nighttime routine, so this will be vlog style. I hope you guys like that. I've always done nighttime routines as like setting up my camera and like basically faking my nighttime routine, so this one will definitely be way more realistic. And yeah, I just love watching like nighttime routines and morning routines. I feel like they're just OG YouTube and they're always entertaining. I don't know why. Anyways, right now I am editing some footage for my next video, which will probably be up probably after this video, I think, because this one will be really easy to edit and quick. And then I'm probably gonna just hang out with my family, go to dinner, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go finish editing my other video and I will talk to you guys soon. I just finished editing my video that's probably gonna go up next week. It's only 4 o'clock and I'm really hungry, so I'm probably just gonna have a snack and then have dinner later on. And yeah. Also guys, I changed into shorts because it's really hot in here. I need to turn the AC on and probably take off this sweater, but I'm way too lazy to do that. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's go get a snack. What do I want? Orange for the win, guys. Say hi to my vlog.
I want.
I feel like whenever you eat an orange, it's just awkward no matter what.
What?
Hi, Nugget. You're such a perfect puppy. Oh, bless you.
So I usually would be doing homework, but I'm a senior and I only have 2 weeks up to school, so I'm trying to find stuff for my dorm and I don't even know where to begin. Let me show you guys what I have in my cart. Okay, I have this stuff. I don't even know, guys. Oh, I really like this one. My problem is I feel like all this stuff is too modern for my dorm room. Like, where are you guys dorm room shopping? And please comment down below and help me. We're on our way to go get dinner. We're going to sushi. We get sushi way too often.
Crazy shit and edited a window and pumped them.
I always start with a miso soup. It's the best. Dinner was so good.
I have a lot of people. If you think we should do a twin deck, comment down below. Now I'm gonna go to ice cream.
Are we getting ice cream?
Then I'm gonna take a bubble bath.
I don't think I can get it. What? I'm with Dad. Say hi to my vlog.
What's up, vloggers?
Thumbnail.
Ooh, that says nice lighting.
Twin gang. Okay. I just got home and I think I'm gonna get ready for bed. So I'm gonna shower, maybe do a face mask, maybe if we're feeling it. Shower time. Hey guys. If any of you guys were wondering, this is the soap I use to get off all my makeup and just wash my face. It's the best. It's by Ramona Klein and you could, I think, get it online. Also guys, I got this lip sleeping mask and it's by, I don't know how to pronounce it right. It's by Laneige. Laneige. Anyways, it is the best. It's made my lips so smooth. Comes with this little thing. Then I just leave that on all night and my lips are so smooth.
I'll show you that.
Movie night.
My father's a therapist and a psychology professor.
Okay guys, I'm all ready for bed. I am so tired. Probably just gonna watch some YouTube videos and then just go to bed. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog off here. Also, look how shiny my lips look. Like, what? Anyways, if you guys aren't already, make sure to subscribe down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.